Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NIHD. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So, one of those situations where a lot of eyeballs on it. So let's map out some levels of support, then we can talk areas of resistance. First level of support is what I would call the ideal level. I mean, if you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be if the price can stay here up above that 275 mark. Now, don't get me wrong, if the price falls below 275, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can somehow manage to stay up above 275, that would definitely be a huge sign of power going forward. Next level of support after that would be this previous breakout point, and that sits at $2.60. So near-term supports, 275, 260. Taking a step back and looking at things from more so a big picture point of view, that is where the purple line here comes into play, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average. So as time goes by, this line is going to, as the name implies, move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move, that right there being defined as quote-unquote the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price can stay above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. No questions asked. Again, yeah, staying up above 275 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price stays above that purple line, then the bulls are in 100% control of the chart. As far as levels of resistance, not even going to really touch on those because in my opinion, top priority right now is not about, breaking levels of resistance. It's all about healthy consolidations going through healthy consolidations, higher lows. There we go, getting my words mixed up there. But as long as lows are getting higher and higher over time, everything else will take care of itself, including breaking those levels of resistance. So focus on building higher bases and then just sit back and let the trend do its thing. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.